Hi guys! Let's bake brownies today. So we finally moved into the new house and I made this video the night before our moving day. I made this video on our last day of stay in our old apartment. So I decided to post this video today before I post new videos from our new apartment. Anyway, let's start! I preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and after that I greased the pan with butter, and now I'm lighting it with parchment paper. By the way, I've followed this recipe from Spice Bangla, and I'm going to put the link and the recipe down below. Will you still be here? What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Now I'm going to make the chocolate butter mixture. First, I'm going to bring this pot of water to a simmer. Then I'm placing this smaller pot with chocolate cut into smaller pieces on top of the larger pot. Now I added the butter and I'm mixing them until completely melted. Will you still be here? After making the chocolate butter mixture, I'm going to set it aside and let it cool. In another bowl, I'm putting in white sugar and brown sugar. Then I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and I'm going to mix it after each addition. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? So it's not gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you. Now I'm just mixing everything until it's creamy. Then I'm going to add the salt and I'm also going to add the vanilla essence and the chocolate butter mix. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill. Summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will. But I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance. Learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. Now, let's sift the flour and cocoa powder together into the mixture. Doesn't matter what the future brings. I'm gonna live a crazy dream.
Gently fold them into the batter.
Maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. You tell me, don't try it.
Now, let's pour the batter into the baking pan.
All the failure is fleeting. I trust it always has its meaning. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hand.
Lastly, let's bake it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius.
Right here in my open hands.
And then this is it. It's really good, you guys. It has a delicate crust and it's moist at the same time. I like fudgy brownies more than the cakey brownies because it's more chocolatey when moist. Anyway, don't forget to leave a comment if you like it and hit like if you like this video. And also, I greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited to share to you our new journey in our new house. This is my last video in this old apartment and I'm missing it right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video!